Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Fitbit Versa 2. But before I get into this, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, I'm back with another video. I hope y'all are having a great day today when you're watching this. Yes, this is a little bit different. No, it's not a cell phone unboxing, but I'm gonna be unboxing this Fitbit Versa 2. Yes, I had a Fitbit like Ultra in the past, but I was looking for a smartwatch slash fitness band or watch, and I decided to pick up this from Best Buy. You can get this from Best Buy or Amazon for $199. I will have the links in the description. I've been doing a little bit of research. I didn't know if I wanted to get this one, the Fitbit, or the Galaxy Active 2 watch. And I decided to save some money and try the Fitbit Versa first. So in this video, it's just going to be a quick unboxing. We're going to look at the watch. It does have some cool things on there. I know you can go swimming with it, like up to 50 meters. It does have a always on display. They upgraded the display to an AMOLED display, so the colors are supposed to be a little bit brighter and a little bit better to see. It also has some sleep tracking things. It does come with Amazon Alexa installed on it, so you can talk to Alexa and tell her to set some timers and do different things. That's enough of me talking. Let's get into this. Bam, Fitbit Versa 2 smartwatch. Right here has some details, built-in voice, 24/7 heart rate tracking, apps and notifications, sleep score, battery life for 4+ days. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so, but it does have some of the specs of my camera focus. Swim proof, automatically tracks activity and exercise, Amazon Alexa built in, always on display like I was mentioning. And then also here it has that is water resistant too. I like the little presentation from them. Let's get this bad boy open. Let's see what you get in the box. Fitbit Versa 2 tells you can change your straps and also download the app first. Also what comes in the box. Let's see. So you get the larger band, which I think I'm gonna have to put on. This watch does not have wireless charging. So yes, you have to put it in this little cradle. No, it does not come with a charging brick either, but let's see. Yeah, just like a normal little charging cradle. I wish it did have wireless charging, but it doesn't. Anything else? You have some books down here too, if I can get to it. Now you may want to read these instructions. Normally I say guys don't read these instructions, but you may want to read these. It's up to you. I'm not going to read it for the sake of the video. I am here for the watch. I like the little bands. Let's see. The little sticker. Oh, drop the watch. I know what people are going to say. It's going to say, oh, it looks like an Apple Watch. It may look like one. It does have some power. But I'm definitely going to need the band, because this watch is small. Or at least this band is small. Let's see. I want to see how it looks on my wrist. Not too bad. That actually looks pretty good. Let's see what it says. It is starting up right now. So I have to download the app first, which I already did on my Galaxy Note. So let me get the app ready. I'm gonna clean this table off some and I'll come right back. Alright, so I downloaded the Fitbit app. As you can tell, I already signed into it. If you don't have a Fitbit account, then you definitely want to, start one. If you do, sign into it first. Then go into your little profile here. You can set up a device. Now it tells you which one you want to set up. I'm going to do the Versa 2. I'm going to accept all these charges. It says let it charge while you are hooking it up. I am not doing that. It has this number you want to put in here. I think this is actually pretty cool. While it's connecting, let's go over the watch. There's your microphone here. Look on the back. Bam, your heart rate monitor and also your charging little clips. On this side, you have the one button. It's like the power button. Also the Alexa button. Then you have these easy connect to take off the bands that are supposed to work really good. It's not that thick either, look. I mean, this is pretty cool. Pretty simple. It's asking me to set up Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna be right back really quick. Alright, so I was able to connect it to my Wi-Fi. It also says this process normally takes several minutes to complete. If it does take a couple minutes, I will pause the video. So it looks like it is doing an update. I also forgot to mention that this watch has NFC, so you can actually do what they call Fitbit Pay if your bank is supported by Fitbit, which is pretty cool. So what I'm gonna do is pause the video because this might take a little bit, and I'll come back and wrap up this video, so stay tuned. Okay everyone, so I was able to update it. This is how it looks now. Bam, that's our always on display. Supposed to tap in and wake it up. It looks pretty good, man. It looks pretty good, but this is the app itself too. I'll probably come back and do a more detailed video on just the app, but I just wanted to check out the watch itself and do a quick unboxing. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Again, if you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Fitbit Versa 2. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForrestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.